Hey, and welcome to our explainer. Today, we are getting straight to the point on a topic that affects so many of us, period pain. We're going to give you 5 simple, totally natural ways to find relief and find it fast. Let's dive right in. Look, we get it. Period pain can be more than just an annoyance. It can seriously throw a wrench in your entire day. But here's the good news. Managing it doesn't have to be this big, complicated thing. There are some really simple, effective strategies you can start using right away. So we're going to walk through 5 super accessible remedies. And these aren't just random tips. Think of them as tools you can use to build a much more comfortable experience for yourself. All right, let's get started building that personal toolkit for comfort. These are strategies you can turn to whenever you need them, tailored to what your body actually needs. Now, to make this all really easy to remember, we've split these 5 remedies into 2 groups. We'll kick things off with 3 immediate actions for when the pain strikes. And then we'll cover 2 supportive habits that can help dial down the intensity in the long run. Okay, first up, actions for quick relief. Let's look at exactly what you can do the moment you feel that pain starting to creep in. So, our 3 rapid response actions are applying some soothing heat, sipping on a calming tea, and trying a little gentle yoga. Now, let's break down why each one of these works so well. First up, the classic remedy, heat. I mean, we've all heard it, right? But why is something as simple as a heat pad or a hot water bottle so incredibly effective against those powerful cramps? Well, it really just comes down to basic muscle biology. The warmth helps your uterine muscles to relax, which stops them from contracting so intensely. And as those muscles start to unclench, that cramping feeling can ease up almost right away. Our second action is all about working from the inside out by brewing up a nice cup of calming tea. Ginger and chamomile in particular are fantastic choices here. So why these 2 teas specifically? Well, both ginger and chamomile have these natural anti-inflammatory compounds that get to work on the physical cause of the cramps. But beyond that, the simple act of sipping a warm drink is just calming. It helps your whole nervous system settle down, which is a huge part of managing pain. Okay, our third action might sound like the absolute last thing you want to do when you're in pain, but trust me, gentle movement can be a total game changer. We're not talking about a major workout here, just simple poses like child's pose or a cat-cow stretch. And here's how it works. These gentle stretches get the blood flowing right to your pelvic region. That improved circulation helps release muscle tension and can make a really noticeable difference in easing that crampy pain. So, now that we've got our immediate actions covered, let's shift gears and talk about habits for lasting comfort. This is all about building a foundation to help make your periods less painful to begin with. And these habits, they're designed to tackle 2 sneaky culprits that often make period pain way worse than it needs to be: dehydration and stress. Let's take a look. First up is a habit that sounds almost too simple to be true. Just stay hydrated. This means making a conscious effort to drink more water, especially in the days leading up to and during your period. It makes a much bigger difference than you might think. The connection here is really direct. When your body's dehydrated, all your muscles are more likely to cramp up. And for your uterine muscles, that means more painful cramps. Just by staying hydrated, you're helping everything function a little more smoothly and preventing that extra tension. And our final habit is all about that mind-body connection. It's about actively taking a moment to relax and de-stress. And this doesn't have to be a huge time commitment. Even just a few minutes of deep breathing or a guided meditation can have a real impact. The link between our stress levels and physical pain is so powerful. When you're stressed out, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can actually increase inflammation and make you feel pain more intensely. So by consciously relaxing, you lower those hormone levels, which can have a direct calming effect on your body. So let's pull all of this together into your own personal relief plan. Consider this your complete toolkit, ready for you to use whenever you need it. Here it is, your 5-point toolkit. For that immediate, in-the-moment relief, Your 3 actions are apply heat, drink calming tea, and try some gentle yoga. And for that long-term comfort, your 2 habits are stay hydrated and take time to relax and de-stress. That's it. So, as you look at this toolkit, just think about what feels easiest to try first. Maybe it's brewing a cup of ginger tea, or maybe it's just taking 5 deep breaths. The question I'll leave you with is this: which one of these remedies will you add to your plan first? Thanks so much for joining us.